Well, welcome back to another coupon haul video. And, well, all this, normally about $23, $24, got down to 52 cents. So let's get down to this. These two were Friday freebies, they're for free. And in this, this, total is, $2 before anything, so there's that. But this normally about $4.99 each. So, before anything, $2.99 with card, $1.99 with the manga sale, which is a buy 4 save 4, and a penny overage for each one bought, which went towards the 56-cent tax, making that 52 cents. Therefore, this is only 52 cents. And according to sources, the $2 off any one all pod laundry detergent is in a $4.22 retail insert, so in case you're wondering, there's that. Other than that, and this was Kroger, so yeah. But either way, that's about it. But why not, if you're able to, check out Creeper King Steve's YouTube channel, just because why not? But either way, that's about it. See you next video. Bye.